Hello friends, today I will discuss the electrification methods of traction system. So here if you look at this diagram, so it covers everything in a nutshell. That is, types of traction electrification consists of totally 4 methods. One method is called a DC system. The another method is called the AC system. In the AC system, again we have the single phase AC system. The other one is 3-phase AC system. There is a fourth kind of system that is called composite system. Means the advantages of DC and the advantages of AC are used in the composite system. So here let me consider one after the other. DC system. So in this system, a 3-phase AC supply is fed to the rectifier, and then output of the rectifier is utilized to drive the DC series motor, which is used as a drive in the traction system. So in this system, for urban services, the voltage range used is between 600 volts to 750 volts. Whereas for mainline services and the suburban services, the voltage that is used is between 1500 volts to 3 kV, and the motors that are used in the DC system, traction system, are nothing but DC series motors. Next, coming to the single phase AC, low frequency AC system. So here the voltage that is used is 300 or 400 volts, but the available voltage will be 15 kV and 25 kV low frequency voltage. So this voltage will be stepped down by using a transformer to a voltage called 300 volts or 400 volts, and then that is used for mainline service, where the rapid acceleration or rapid retardation are absent. Next, coming to this diagram, it will be like this. So this is the step down transformer whose output will be given to the motors, and this is the step down transformer. This is the primary voltage, this is the secondary, and these are the wheels. This is called pantograph. This is the supply, and this is the extra bus, and these are called the droppers or wires that keeps this bus parallel to this, like this. This pantograph will always connect to this extra bus. From there the supply will be available to the transformer primary, and the output of that rectifier or the transformer is used for the drive that is used in this system. And look at this, this is the track, and this track acts as the neutral wire, and this is the supply, single phase supply, and this is the line. So supply comes from this line to this extra bar via these droppers like this, and from there it will be tapped by the pantograph to the traction system. And the motor that is used here are AC series motor, because the available voltage is 300 volts or 400 volts. So we use this. Next, coming to the third type of electrification, that is a 3-phase AC system. In this method, power distribution consists of 2 overhead lines and a track as a third wire. So it does not require any step down transformer, because the 3-phase induction motors are available whose rating is 3.3 kV at a rate of frequency 16.16 2/3 Hz system. And this three-phase AC system is used whenever we need the high power, especially for goods traction system, we use this. Next, coming to the last method, that is called composite system. So in the composite system, we have the two methods again. One is called single phase AC, that is 25 kV 50 Hz. So that will be converted to DC system, and that voltage is used for DC series motors. So there is another method called Kando system. So it is nothing but a system which converts single phase AC supply to three phase AC supply. So we know in the machines that there is another method called two phase to three phase, and which is called Scott connection. But this is not the Scott connection here. This is a different name, that is called Kando system, which converts single phase AC supply to three phase AC supply, and that three phase AC supply is used to run the AC series mode three phase induction motor by stepping down this voltage, higher voltage, to the lower voltages. So the input voltage will be normally 15 kV to 25 kV 50 Hz, and the step down voltage will be 3.3 kV, and the frequency will be 16 to 3rd Hz. And let us see. So we have seen all the four types of methods of electrification. So one is a DC system, the other one is a single phase AC system, the third one is three phase AC system, fourth one is a composite system. In this again we have seen what is the difference between Kando system and the Scott connection, and we are going to use only Kando system, which converts single phase AC supply to three phase AC supply. And coming to let us see quiz on this topic. So first one is India started traction with A bit single phase AC supply, B bit DC system, C is three phase AC, D is none. So we in the country introduced DC system first. So B is the right answer. So next, second question is, which system is combination of two different supply systems? A bit is single phase AC supply, B is DC system, C is three phase AC, and D is Kando system. In Kando system you find the two things, there is single phase AC supply and the other is three phase AC supply. So D is the right answer. So third one is, which is composite track electrification system? So A bit is Kando system, B is single phase to DC system, C is three phase to DC system, D is both A and B. The right answer is both A and B, that is Kando system and single phase to DC system.